Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 10.3 of Algebra 1 Math, analyzing data. It will be part 1, you can get part 2, part 3 up here, as well as all this other stuff. Okay, 10.3, analyze data. Here's the standard. It is part 1, and we have a 32-point classwork sheet with this, accompanying this, and I've got a 2-point notebook guide. For this lesson, teachers, here's the bell work for today. For your students, give them 4 minutes to do it. Give them 3 minutes to do this one. Okay, welcome back for our answers to our bell work. There's number 1, it's 17. And then 1.44, radical 1.44 would be 1.2. Okay, 10.3, analyze data. You found measures of central tendency. You will find frequencies in a two-way frequency table. So you can get data about dogs. Okay, so two-way frequency table divides the data into categories across the top and down the side. So example here, we got boys, girls, and total. Here they got apples, oranges, and then total. So we have data across the top and down the side. And then the body of the table gives the joint frequencies here. So 15 apples, 18 oranges for the boys, and then girls 21, 16. And then the row and column totals give the marginal frequencies. So the row and column totals give the marginal frequencies here. So we got 36 apples and 34 oranges. And then we have totals out here on the outside, 33 total apples and oranges for boys, and then 37 total for girls, and then complete total will be 70 for that. So data here, data here. Okay, so example 1, the table shows the results of students naming their favorite subjects. So here we have math, science, English. And we got 2 classrooms here, and then we have totals down here at the bottom. How many students in Miss Bailey's homeroom prefer math? The cell in the row for Miss Bailey's homeroom and in the column for math contains 8. So 8 students in her homeroom prefer math there. How many students from both homerooms prefer science? So we have science here. So our total will be down here, would it not? I think it would be, so 13 for science. Okay, into our first guided practice for 10.3. Using the table in example 1, tell whether more students in Mr. Cole's homeroom prefer science or English. Students, do your independent practice. Use the table in example 1. Here's the table. In example 1, tell whether more students in Mr. Cole's homeroom prefer science or English. Well, let's see. We've got science here. We've got English here. Oh, that's Bailey's room. This is Cole's here, 7 and 9 in favor of English. So 9 students prefer English while 7 prefer science. Smaller students prefer English. Okay, do your independent practice, students. Okay, example 2, make a two-way frequency table for the following data. So 175 freshmen take foreign language, 88 take Spanish, 46 take French, rest take German. No one takes more than 1. So here is our table heading here, and then here is our columns here of totals. 175 freshmen, and then what goes on this side over here. So there are 42 boys taking Spanish, 31 taking French, and a total of 89 taking a language. So I'm guessing it would be gender out here. It is gender here. So this is boys up here, and then girls here. Then we have totals here. The category Spanish, French, German, boys and girls. Fill in the given information, and then look for ways to calculate missing values. So for example, number of girls taking Spanish is 88 minus 42. Would be 46 for here for the girls here. The number of boys taking a foreign language is 175 minus 89. see, boys, what are we at? Oh, 175 minus 89, so it would be 86. That'd be a fast way of doing it here without the table here. The total number of students taking German will be 175. We have a total here 175. 175 minus 88 plus 46, so we find out that. Or we can just get it here. Was that equal? That equals 41. Okay, so our next guided practice. 152 students play golf, basketball, soccer. No one plays more than one of these sports. 22 play golf, 50 play basketball, and the rest play soccer. 10 boys who play golf, 26 who play basketball, girls, and a total of 80 boys who play one of these sports. Make a two-way frequency table for all this data up here. Students, this is yours. Pay attention up here so you know how to do this. And we'll get right now. So we have our situation up here. Total number of students playing soccer is here. So we have 152 minus 2250. And then the number of girls playing golf will be 22 minus 10. Will be 12. Number of boys playing basketball is 24. Number of boys playing soccer is 46. Number of girls playing soccer is 80 minus 46 would be 34. Okay, is that all we get? Here's our table. So golf, basketball, soccer total. And then here is the accounting here of this situation here in columns. This is what you should do with your classwork sheet, students. Just fill in the gaps like this. And then here is the word problem here that designates these numbers in these rows and columns. Okay, 152 is total, and then we got 22 who play golf, and then we got 50 who play basketball, and that is 10.3 part 1. We got part 2, part 3 here. Email me for that. Thank you very much.